Hi, this is Kiran Krishnan. I'm the Chief Science Officer and co-founder of Microbiome Labs. I'm also a research microbiologist. So for those of you who don't know what a microbiologist is, a microbiologist is basically a scientist or a researcher that studies microbes, so small living organisms. And in my field, in the clinical side of microbiology, we study the impact of these microbes on human health, both good and bad. Most people are familiar with how bad microbes can cause issues in the case of infections and so on. But what we're coming to find out is that we have lots and lots of good microbes. In fact, more than 90% of the microbes we come in contact with are actually good and beneficial microbes, and they actually play a significant role in protecting our body from chronic illness. So with that respect, I'm going to be speaking with Dr. Maggie Yu on the impact of these microbes on autoimmune disease. So as you know, autoimmune disease is basically your immune system really going haywire and losing its focus, losing its direction. Well, as it turns out, about 85 to 90% of that immune system is sitting in your gut, in your digestive tract. And there's about 100 trillion bacteria that cover that immune tissue in your digestive tract. So these bacteria play a very important role in how your immune system functions. In the case of autoimmune disease, there's compelling evidence that shows that the immune system can go awry because of certain microbes, and it can be fixed because of certain microbes. So the microbes play a significant role. So what we're going to be talking about, what you're going to learn, is the impact your microbiome has. Those are the collection of organisms and their genetic elements in your system, what impact that microbiome has on your condition, the autoimmune condition. You'll also learn how your environment around you, your home, the foods you eat, the household products you choose, how those things impact those microbes and thus your condition. We'll also talk about the role of probiotics within the microbiome itself and how we can use probiotics to actually change the microbiome in a way that favors recovering from such a condition. We'll also talk about all of the other things that impact your microbiome and how that impacts the condition. So you'll leave from this particular talk really understanding how the world around you, your home environment, your work environment, your outside environment, how all of that impacts the function of your immune system because of how it impacts your microbiome. You'll leave equipped with information that you can start the very next day in order to start improving your outcomes. Remember, autoimmune disease is basically your immune system going dysfunctional and attacking itself. Why does it do that? Well, we now have a significant amount of evidence that shows that the microbes play a significant role in that process. They can either protect against it or they can facilitate the formation of that dysfunction. So you'll learn about both. And this will be a really, really important talk for you guys to participate in and pay attention to. So come join us with Dr. Maggie Yu. I look forward to it. Thank you.